And getting out the door, again, if you've got any of that strenuous activity planned for your Wednesday now, probably want to aim early as we get a little more sunshine, and those winds have flipped out of the southwest. So we're going to be cooking by this afternoon. Those temperatures getting back into the low 90s. The air temperature itself feeling like the mid to upper 90s as we get you into this afternoon. Going to be staying dry, though, but that's going to change as we go forward into Thursday. Here comes that cold front, and it's running into an air mass that's going to be both hot and humid here already as we get into tomorrow as well. So some showers and thunderstorms going to be expected as this thing continues to work its way off toward the south and east. Still working on the timing, but it looks like it's favoring more so the afternoon and evening hours getting into tomorrow. Some of these could be on the stronger side. You notice some pretty intense looking cells embedded within what we think is going to be a kind of a disorganized cluster of storms working their way through the area as we get into tomorrow. But some gusty winds, maybe a little bit of small hail, certainly possible with these as we get throughout the day on Thursday. Looks like they might spill over into Friday morning, but generally expecting that severe threat, whatever low it is, however low it is, should be a little bit lower yet as we get into Friday itself. But looking at Thursday, again, this is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center this morning, and they have us in that marginal threat category. Again, tier 1 out of 5. So it's again that lowest threat, but a threat nonetheless that we're going to be tracking. Right now, like I mentioned, though, damaging straight line winds, small hail, even a brief spin up tornado. That's all still on the table. I'd be a little more worried, though, about that flooding potential with those storms kind of trying to follow right along that frontal boundary. You can kind of pick that up with the latest run of rain tracker. And again, doesn't look like it's going to necessarily be widespread, but we could certainly pick up 1 to 2 inches in places we don't need it here across mid-Missouri. As we get into tomorrow, going to be tracking some more storms as we get into Friday, it looks like, especially Friday morning, as those are still kind of left over as that front works its way through. But then as we get into Saturday and Sunday, that's where the questions start to, again, stick around into the forecast here, whether or not some of those rain chances sticking around this weekend. Still tracking that as we get into Saturday and Sunday.